Welcome again to Chuks Online Mathematics. Alright, we have a question right in front of us. The question says, a ladder leans against a vertical wall at an angle 60 degrees to the wall. If the foot of the ladder is 8 meters away from the wall, calculate the length of the ladder. Alright, to help you understand this situation, I would like to draw a diagram to illustrate the question or the information. Now, let's say that this is the wall and this is the ground. So this is the ground and this is the wall. So let's have the ladder. So this is the ladder. Okay, now the question says that a ladder leans against a vertical wall. Leans. So the ladder is leaning on the wall, alright, in a slanted way or in a slanted position. Now at an angle of 60 degrees. So this angle here is 60 degrees, alright, to the wall. If the foot of the ladder is 8 meters away from the wall, alright, so that means this is the foot of the ladder. Foot, this is feet. Foot is singular, alright, while feet is plural. So if the foot of the ladder, that's from here now to the wall here, is 8 meters. If the foot of the ladder is 8 meters away from the wall, calculate the length of the ladder. So we ask to find the length of this ladder, L, the length of the ladder. Now, if you look at the diagram I have here, it looks like a right angle triangle. So this is 60 degrees, this is 8 meters, and this is L, which is L means the length of the ladder. So the hypotenuse would be the longest side of the right angle triangle, represent the ladder. The opposite being the wall is the opposite being the opposite side of the right angle triangle, represent the wall, and then the ground represent the adjacent side of the right angle triangle. So when given, and here is 90 degrees. Now when given the adjacent side to find the hypotenuse side, so when given the adjacent side to find the hypotenuse side, because here is hypotenuse, adjacent, opposite. Of course, you know that the opposite side is the side that always faces the given angle, while the hypotenuse side is the side that always faces the right angle, which is angle 90 degrees. So when given the adjacent side to find the hypotenuse side, you apply cosine, that's cos. So you now have cos theta equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, now let me help you, just to help you to know when to apply sin, cos, or tan. You should memorize the word SOHCAHTOA. Please do well to memorize the word SOHCAHTOA. X stands for sin. Sin theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. O is opposite, X is hypotenuse. Then C stands for cosine, which is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. T stands for tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. So the right trigonometric ratio to apply here is cos, because the adjacent side is given to find the hypotenuse side. So we have cos 60 degrees equal to, the adjacent side is what? 8, right? Over, then we're looking for L, the hypotenuse side. So cos 60 will give us what? Cos 60 degrees will give us what? Alright, so we have cos 60 equal to 8 over what? L, right? Okay, so cos 60 will give us 0.5 equal to 8 over L. Cos 60 is 0.5. Okay, by the way, I'll be teaching you how to know the values of sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, sin 60, sin 45, cos 45, tan 45, sin 60, cos 60, tan 60. In my next video, I'll do that without using calculator. Okay, so what do? I'll cross multiply. So I have 8 equal to L times 0.5. So which give me 8 equal to 0.5 L. So I have to divide both sides by coefficient of L, which is 8 over 0.5 equal to 0.5 L over 0.5. 0.5 cancel 0.5. We have L equal to 8 divided by 0.5 will give us 16. Therefore, L is equal to 16 meters. So that is the length of the ladder. Thank you. Do well to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you, and see you in my next video.